we will guess different items in your refrigerator. If we get it wrong, if it's not in your fridge, we have to eat our least favorite food. For Emily, that's cilantro. For Sky, it's tomatoes.
They're so juicy today.
For Thor, it's raisins.
Ew.
And for me, it is the bell pepper, and I've got the red one this time.
Oh.
And it's not sweeter, it's not better, it's
Yeah, it's my
disgusting.
fave. It's my favorite.
That's your favorite.
The
My
red.
favorite, too.
Yeah.
Oh, God, I hope you eat tomatoes.
Wait, that's not
They're red.
nice.
They're red.
That's not nice.
They're red.
You like tomatoes. That's
love
okay.
tomatoes.
I like bell peppers. That's okay.
Barf. And the way Emily cuts them, she cuts them giant, like
she does it on purpose,
She
if you ask
does.
me.
Oh,
She
same
does.
with the tomatoes.
She's
I
a
feel you.
genius.
You know what?
I
But then
feel
she
you.
gets a tiny little pinch.
No,
of
she's
cilantro.
going to eat the equivalent. You
I
will
don't
eat the
get a
equivalent.
pinch of cilantro.
You eat
I
the
always
equivalent.
eat enough.
877-570-1053. All right, let's get our first contestant. Let's talk to P1 Jenna. Jenna, you are first up in What's in Your Fridge. How's it going this morning, Jenna?
Yay, I'm doing good. How are you guys?
We're okay right now, but we'll see how this goes. Emily, you are first up. You get to ask a lifestyle question to Jenna that doesn't have to do with food.
Jenna, are you an outdoorsy person?
Yes.
Okay. That's interesting. All right, go ahead, Emily. Ask her what's in her fridge.
All right, Jenna. Do you have any milk in your fridge?
Yes.
That was
But
crazy.
what was outdoorsy about
I
that?
feel like she puts it in her granola for breakfast.
Ah.
Milk
That's a
in the-
really giant
Yeah.
leap.
Well,
That
if
is
you're
a
outdoorsy,
giant
you eat granola for
Yeah,
breakfast.
yeah.
With milk, though?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. Over to you, Sky.
Okay. She's healthy. She's outdoorsy. Something we have never asked, I believe, before.
You do.
Uh-oh.
Get her.
And I feel like we're dumb for not asking this. Jenna, do you have water in your fridge?
Actually, I do.
Oh, wait.
Oh, Jenna.
Are you sure, Jenna?
A bottle of water, a jug of water, a glass bottle of water.
Bottle.
You have water.
Bottle.
A bottle.
Okay.
Wow.
Back up. This is getting crazy.
Oh, wow.
All right, Thor.
All right, Jenna, do you have pickles?
Oh, I do have pickles.
That's right.
Yes.
That's right, girl.
Wait, what?
What?
Weird.
I don't know where to go with Jenna.
Oh.
Dude, right?
I'm thrown off.
She scares me.
I feel uncomfortable. Jenna, do you have lettuce in your fridge?
I do have lettuce.
Oh, my God.
Oh, Jenna.
Jenna, the pausing is killing
can't.
us.
Yeah.
The pausing
It's killing us.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
It's a lot.
All right, Emily, you're up.
All right, I'm sticking with breakfast here. Jenna, do you have any eggs in your fridge?
Yes, I have eggs.
Okay. Over to you, Sky.
Okay, that last guess I did was crazy, so I gotta dial it back. Jenna, do you have butter in your fridge?
Oh, that's screwed.
Yes, I have
That's so
butter.
messed up.
Okay.
Stole it from
I like how
the
she
bottom
Sorry,
likes.
buddy, man.
I was never going to say that.
Oh, you would. Look at you. You're
look-
drooling.
I'm not
You
drooling.
mentioned it and he just
I'm not
loses
drooling.
it.
All right, Thor.
All right, Jenna, do you have yogurt in the fridge?
Yeah.
Oh, this is,
All the dairy products.
oh, God. Okay. Jenna, do you have ketchup in your fridge?
Yes.
Oh,
Okay.
oh, back over to Emily.
She said she's got lots of dairy products just then. So I'm going to ask, do you have any cheddar cheese in your fridge?
Oh, cheddar cheese.
Here we go. Give it to me, honey.
I do.
Oh, damn!
Oh, my God.
Damn!
Crazy.
That was
All right,
wild.
Sky.
So crazy. Well, Jenna's going outdoors. She's healthy. She needs a little snacky to bring with her. So, of course, you know the go-to, carrots. Jenna, you got
loser.
any carrots in that fridge?
I do have carrots.
Wow.
She's got a little fridge.
All right, Thor.
Wow. All right, Jenna, do you have olives in the fridge?
Why does he say it like that?
I don't know.
Yes, you need those for a
That's right,
martini.
baby.
Oh, for a martini, she
You
said.
need those.
You need those.
Okay.
Yes, you do.
Jenna, do you have mayonnaise in your fridge?
I do.
Okay.
All right.
Emily?
She just said she makes a martini. So that means she drinks. Jenna, do you have any vino in your fridge?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Sky, over to you.
Like, Emily is guessing everything I'm thinking before I say it. So,
Oh my God, it's like you guys are the same today.
I know. It's crazy. It's crazy. Cheddar cheese, the wine. So where am I going to go next? We haven't done any fruit yet. I don't know what fruit's in season. Too risky, Sky. I
Did you go to the store?
am going to go. Jenna, do you have onion in your fridge? After you cut it, you got to put it in
I
the fridge.
do.
Wow.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Fridge is
That was
stocked.
risky.
The fridge is
All right,
stocked.
Thor.
Jenna, jelly.
Oh.
Yeah, I have jelly.
That's right.
Okay. All right, Jenna, do you have mustard in your fridge?
I do have French
Oh.
mustard.
Oh. All right, Emily.
Oh
Okay.
no.
We're getting the bare bones here.
We are getting to
Yeah.
bare bones here. All right. I asked earlier, she had cheddar cheese. She's got mustard. She's got mayonnaise. So she's got sandwiches. She likes them. Do you have any turkey meat in your fridge?
Oh no, I only have ham.
Oh, thank you, Jenna.
Oh, that's
Thank
good
you,
stuff.
Jenna.
That felt good.
Now let me tell you
That
something,
felt
sister.
good.
Since you
yeah.
are the cutter of all the
Uh-oh.
things for Sky and me, and you do these giant chunks,
Biggest pieces I've ever seen in my life.
so you
Biggest
have
pieces I've ever
to
seen in my life.
eat the equivalent now.
Yes.
So which is a good, healthy pinch of cilantro. Oh yeah, all of that. No, all of that. No.
No, that's the same
No,
as that.
no, it's not.
That's the same as that.
No, it's not.
I will throw up.
Eat your cilantro. Oh, look at her.
Oh man, I like cilantro. I don't get it.
Okay, really, Thor. Oh.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
So really, that's kind of an
a lot.
overreaction.
That's a lot.
You know what's crazy is that taste sticks with you for a
Oh
while.
yeah, all
you
day.
know?
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. I
And we
love
get a
that
little piece in your
aftertaste.
tooth.
It's in my
and-
teeth.
Ooh,
Yeah.
I'll save it in my tooth for later.
Oh yeah, she'll find that. She'll find that later.
All right, let's do one more. Let's go to P1 Gamer. Gamer, you're up now in what's in your fridge. How's it going?
Hello, how you guys doing?
Going pretty well, you know.
Hi, gamer.
All right,
Hi,
Gamer.
Gamer.
Sky's up. She's going to ask you a lifestyle question that doesn't have to do with food.
Okay. This wasn't the question I was going to ask. But then as soon as I heard gamer, I only have one question, and I just have to know it for personal reasons. Gamer, have you ever had a significant other?
What?
Yes.
What kind of
Okay.
What do you mean?
I did.
That doesn't give us any help.
And what
Scott.
kind of assumption is that? How rude.
Well, did you hear his voice? Did you hear his name was Gamer? And
Have you ever had a significant other? Why
God.
did you ask if he's a virgin?
well, that's
Gamer, are you a
basi-
virgin?
That's basically what
Because
I
he plays
asked.
video games.
Dude, the dude's fridge, who lives with his parents, who games in the basement, is
How do you know he
different.
games in the basement?
Is
I'm
different.
feeling a little judged right now.
Is different than the adult gamer who has a significant other and, you know, maybe kids. These are different fridges.
Ugh, whatever, Sky.
So to me, this says a lot.
All right, you're up.
Okay. Gamer, do you have beer in your fridge?
Yes, I actually do.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yes, yes.
Over to you, Thor.
All right, Gamer. Do you have butter?
Look at
See?
that.
See?
Look at the
He
butter man.
loves
Look at
it.
the
He
butter man.
loves
Look at the
it.
butter man.
He'll come steal it. You better be careful
It's
what
a
you
normal
say.
guess. I don't.
Your senses were right. I do have
Oh, he
butter.
knows.
It wasn't
They
my
were
senses.
tingling. They were
They were
tingling.
not.
Your
I'm
butter
not.
senses were tingling.
That's not true. I'm not the butter
Oh,
man.
hell yeah.
Well, Gamer, I'm assuming probably dip your nuggets in
Oh.
ketchup.
Ah.
Yeah, ketchup in your fridge.
Yeah, actually, yes, I
Of
do.
course you do. Of course you do, Gamer.
Come on, Gamer.
Over to you, Emily.
Maybe he's dipping his nugs in some ranch.
Oh.
Gamer, do you have any ranch in your fridge?
Ooh, I do.
Oh.
God, I thought he was-
So did I. So did I.
That was crazy.
All right, Sky.
When you're late night gaming, nothing is better than a bowl of cereal. Gamer, got some milk in that fridge?
Yes, I do. I thought you were going to say cereal for a minute. I was like,
That'd
Yeah.
be really weird.
Yeah, that would be weird.
That'd
Don't
be
do
All right,
that in the
Thor.
fridge.
That'd be really weird. Gamer, do you have leftovers in your fridge?
Oh, crazy.
Reheating?
just in general? Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
That
You
works.
don't have to get sassy with me. Jeez.
Sassy.
Since I have to be specific on certain items,
Right,
Yep.
right. What do you got?
he's the gamer.
Yeah?
I'm going to throw it out there.
What?
Gamer, do you have Mountain Dew in your fridge?
That's so crazy, Eddie.
What are you doing?
Me and you are on the same wavelength, of course.
No, that is the nerdiest guess.
Now I understand.
Nerdiest answer.
I know my man.
Now I get Sky's question.
Thank you. Thank you.
What's up, Gamer?
Mountain Dew.
Wild.
You're up, Emily.
Gamer, do you have American cheese in your fridge?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
All right,
Total
Sky.
American cheese. Okay, Gamer. Ooh, is Gamer a turkey or a ham guy with that American cheese? I feel like he's a ham guy. Gamer, do you have ham in your fridge?
Oh, yeah. Just barely, but yes, I do.
Oh,
I'll take it.
that
Wow.
was crazy.
Wow.
All right, Thor.
All right, Gamer. I'm trying to think of something unhealthy.
Why?
Mountain Dew.
Yeah,
I mean,
Can you keep Cheetos in the fridge?
no, exactly. Gamer, I'll say it again. Do you have pickles?
Yeah. Yes, I
Okay.
do.
Gamer, if you have American cheese and you have ham, I'm assuming you're making a sandwich. So do you have mustard in your fridge?
Of course.
Yeah, good.
What else am I going to put on it?
Exactly.
Oh,
Exactly.
Mayo.
saucy.
Over to you, Emily.
Oh my God. Gamer, maybe you like it a little spicy. Do you have any hot sauce in your fridge?
Yes, actually.
Okay. Over to you, Sky.
Gamer, maybe you're tired of that sandwich that you're having every day. So you got to switch it up a bit and get a little Gamer gourmet. Do you have any hot dogs in that fridge?
Sky, I'm sorry. I don't like hot dogs.
Oh,
That's
he doesn't like
shocking.
hot dogs.
That's
He
shocking.
doesn't like hot dogs.
That's shocking.
Thanks, Gamer.
That's
hot dogs?
shocking. Boy,
That's
especially
shocking.
a guy that's drinking Mountain Dew Code Red.
Seriously.
Delicious.
Oh,
All right,
no.
Sky, that means you got to eat a big old tomato.
They're all big. They're all juicy. They're all seedy.
Not thanks to your friend over here.
I don't like
All right,
I don't like that lady.
down the hatch, Sky. Here she goes.
Okay. You'll survive. You'll live.
Oh, she chewed
God.
it up. Oh, no.
Oh.
Oh, no, the juices. The juices are real. I mean, what? I mean, I'm just saying.
Nothing better than a nice tomato.
Oh,
I'd eat it like an
fresh.
apple if I could.
Oh, yeah. So
I
good.
like to put a little salt on it and then you just, eat it like that.
Don't tease me.
Oh, it's delicious, man. Are you done chewing still? Are you
God.
still? Oh, okay. Wow.
Whoa.
That was.
We're just going to chase it with
that
a
was
cold
lot.
coffee.
There you go. That was a fantastic edition of What's in Your Fridge.